Hello and welcome to What I Eat in a Day, Summer Edition. First thing in the morning, I make some cucumber water, a few mint leaves, sliced cucumber, and I keep it in the fridge. I will top up the water throughout the day. I love this because I find it really refreshing in this heat. And usually the next day I will add the cucumber and mint to my smoothie. Breakfast is usually green smoothie. Here I'm having about a cup of spinach with a cup of frozen berries, a third of raw beets, the leftover cucumber. Here you see me, yeah, that's the raw beet. And then some flax seed. This is amla powder. Then some black seed, some ground flax, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of pepper, half a frozen banana. I don't usually put banana in, but the banana was needed to be used. Sometimes I will add whatever fruit or vegetables that are on their last leg and just use them. It's usually a very filling breakfast. I don't have anything between breakfast and lunch. I'm showing you here the garnish for the soup that I'm gonna have. It's called Dukkah, and it's a Middle Eastern spice and nut garnish. Here I'm using Brazil nuts, za'atar, and chili flakes. I have a recipe for it, which I will add. Also a recipe for the soup. The soup is a cold soup called Salmorejo. And this is a beets Salmorejo. Excuse me. And it's made with cooked beet, garlic bread, garlic bread to thicken the soup, vinegar, and spices. The spices are cumin and black pepper. Again, traditionally, you use a lot of oil, but I used. I'm showing you here some almonds, but instead of almonds, I used. I had avocado that I had to use, so I used that for the fat content. I also added some white beans instead of the bread to thicken it and to make it a more complete meal, to up the proteins. Again, I will link the recipe to the video of how to make this, but basically you just blend everything. I had a snack of frozen bananas, chocolate powder, and I blended it until it was like a soft scoop type of thing. Then I decided to add some 85% chocolate, which is accidentally vegan, and had that for an afternoon snack. It was really hot. I wanted something nice and cool. Dinner was patatas alla pobre, which is made with caramelized onions, garlic, green or red bell pepper, potatoes. I used half a chili. Usually they don't use chili. And I used the juice of half a lemon to replace the salt. I did not use oil, but traditionally oil is used to fry everything. I caramelize the onions, I slice the potatoes. I'm using new potatoes, but usually it's much nicer. The new potatoes were a bit waxy. It's much nicer if you use a fluffy type of potato. So I used the lemon juice and water to caramelize the onions. Then I added the garlic and the chili. If you use fresh bell pepper, this is when you add it. I had a jar of already roasted peppers, so I just added the roasted peppers right at the end. You will see. So here I will add, because it's cooked. It took about 40 minutes of adding bits of water until the potatoes were cooked. And here I've added the bell peppers, and I grilled a vegan sausage to go with it, and that was my dinner. That was the last thing I ate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, activate the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching, and hasta luego.